Well, here are Mira and Nona, Joy's babies. They are 4 weeks old today, so they're going to get their first taste of doggy food. Let's see what they think of it. What do you think? Don't walk in it. Don't walk in it. Whoa. Whoa. Are you going to try it? Are you going to try it? Try it. Mira, try it. Try it. Oh, we'll walk in it, okay. She's more interested in coming out here to me, I think. Mira, look, try the food. Oh, she says, oh, what's this? Maybe this is yummy. Nona, do you want to try it? Try it. She's like, eh. Mira's licking the edges. There we go. Come on. Oh, Mira's getting the hang of it now. Nona wants to play. Nona, taste the food. Taste the food, silly girl. Moxie's baby is making noises. Come here, Nona. Come here. Come here. Come here. Try it. Try it. Here. Here, try it. So I'm not so good at holding the camera and messing with a puppy at the same time. Sometimes if I just put a little on their lips, then they get the idea and go, oh, this is yummy. Nona's just not having it today. You're not going to even try it, Nona? All right, we'll try again later.